Hi, this is Carl Lucas at the Trevi Group, and I head up the recruiting team for network engineers, solution architects, and leaders in the networking, data center, and cloud industries. And one of our premier clients has a phenomenal opportunity. They are an award-winning industry leader in the networking automation space. It's a very cool company, and they're getting all of the industry buzz and awards for innovation. And what they're looking for is a rock star engineer with advanced scripting experience and a passion for network automation. It's a full-time, 100% remote role, and it can be located anywhere in the US. And it's a senior level strategic position that will work closely with large clients, product developers, networking manufacturers, to design and model large complex networks, and then work closely with product developers to create new and innovative automation technologies and solutions. It's an amazing opportunity to work with the world's most talented engineers in the network automation space. We're talking lots of career growth, lucrative base and bonus, pre-IPO stock options. So it's a great opportunity to join this highly sought after team and take your career and compensation to the next level. So if you or somebody you know has this type of background or you'd like more information, please send your resume or that referral to carl@thetrevigroup.com, and I appreciate your consideration. And don't forget to click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.